This is Everyday BCS, and today I'll be going through P4 for Unit 7, Assignment 1, which is to explain the principle and uses of cryptography to help secure and protect data. Small reminder, when writing each criteria, remember to reference any material you use following our guidelines above. The quality of your work matters more than the quantity. To achieve P4, you need to know the principles and uses of cryptography, so let's talk about them. The principles are integrity and confidentiality. Be sure to write the following for each principle. Define what it is. How does it ensure data is protected and secured? Once you've covered the principles, you need to explain what cryptography is used for. You can research specific methods by looking into the different applications of cryptography. To help you get started, here are some common categories where cryptography is applied. Payments and transactions, authentication, file protection, password security, and finally, digital content protection. Once you have explained the principles and uses of cryptography and provided at least 3 to 4 examples, you have completed P4 and the pass criteria. Thanks for watching. If the video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified of more unit videos when they are released.